So we're back with another product from myFirst. This time we're checking out their CareBuds Max. These are a great set of headphones for children, as they are about only 146 grams in weight, and they also fold up really compact. On top of that, they are 40 millimeter dynamic drivers with a 32 ohms impedance, which is pretty good, with a range of 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. It also has a 50 milliamp battery that will last for about 52 hours. We run it at 50% power. And then on top of that, it's got a really cool feature where you can get 8 hours with a 10-minute charge. And these bad boys fully charge up to less than 2 hours of plug-in time, which is really solid. Let's open this up and talk a little bit about some of the options you have with this. So right off the bat, it's got two different types of ears that you can use. Got a little quick guide here. You've got some stickers I'd like to give you in a manual. So off the bat, we've got some plush ears for kids that like that really soft feeling, really good for them. And then we've also got the cool fabric they have on here. This is really good cooling fabric that's going to make the kids feel really nice when wearing. To change those out, you just twist, and then you can take the other ones and just twist them in place. Make sure to match the ears, that way they're not confused, the left and right. And then these things have a little bit of bend here, and they extend from here. They've got a real good strength to them, which is really important because you don't want your kids to break their headphones. Yeah, that plush is really soft. That's nice. You've got your power button right there. Light indicator up and down for volume levels. And you can see there it's blinking right now, looking to connect to Bluetooth. This also has a 15 meter range on Bluetooth, which is really nice. And it does collapse down for easy fitting in like a carry-on bag, which is also really good, especially if you're gonna take these bad boys on a plane. But yeah, let's go give these to the little one and see how well they work for her. We'll be right back.
Are they soft?
Yes.
Do you like it? Do they sound good?
Yes.
Yeah? Are they your new favorite headphones?
Here's something I didn't get a chance to showcase because it was on the back side of the box. This is a USB-C and a USB-C charging cord for the device. It is a braided, thick, durable cable, which is nice. It's going to really give you that faster charging because it's USB-C to USB-C, which is really solid. But these are just a really cool set of easy to pack, comfortable in feeling, great sound quality, and designed with kids in mind. myFirst does a really good job with their child-friendly lineup, and this is just another addition to it. But hopefully you guys like these. Hopefully you guys pick these up for your kids, and we'll see you guys next time.